Today we will be making sushi rice. So what I'm doing right now is I'm mixing the mixture that I'm going to put in the cooked rice. So this one I already cooked earlier. This is a mixture of real Japanese rice and quinoa. So 1 cup of Japanese rice and 1 cup of quinoa. So I'm going to mix this and we can start the sushi. So this is my second time making this, but last time I made it with just Japanese rice.
Stir the rice until the mixture is evenly distributed. Lay out your bamboo mat with an optional piece of plastic wrap on top. Make sure that the dried seaweed or nori has its rough side facing upward. Evenly spread the rice over the nori while leaving space at the top and bottom of the sheet. Now, place your chosen ingredients in the center, halfway between the top and the bottom of the seaweed.
Okay, and then we can put some cucumber, carrots. So this is already pre-sliced very thinly, and avocado. Mango, and of course our, what do you think this is, guys? This is tuna. Okay.
And let's start rolling.
Now, wish me luck. I don't remember how to roll this. I think you have to do like this first. Okay, and then move it. So I hope this is not a disaster. The reason why I put plastic so the nori will not stick to the bamboo. But I think my plastic is too long. Oops. So this is done. Later we will slice it. So don't worry about this. Nothing will go wasted. So if you have leftover of this, don't worry about it because you can always mix this with your salad. press it until you feel that it's firm, then you can start rolling.
I'm not expert on this, but nowadays you can Google everything.
The last one is a disaster. Let me try to fix it. I push it the wrong way. Like what I said, don't worry if it's not perfect because this is just a practice. See, I managed to solve the problem. So press it one more time. Ta-da! So we're going to slice it. Let me move it here. Slice it very carefully. Sayang. Look at that. Oops. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. This one is made for me. It's good. So you have to again. You have to slice it very carefully. So it's okay if it's not perfect like this one because you can eat it. It's done. Alam. Wala pa? Let's try again with kikuman sauce. I don't have wasabi, so we'll just try it with kikuman sauce without wasabi. Please don't forget to click the notification bell, click subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.